Eagle Mountain, Utah, is known for its breathtaking views and small-town charm, but living here also means experiencing a wide range of weather conditions throughout the year. From scorching summer days to frigid winter nights, the climate can take a toll on your home's exterior, including your windows. Over time, these conditions can affect how your windows look, function, and protect your home. Understanding the impact of Eagle Mountain's weather can help you take proactive steps to maintain and upgrade your windows for long-lasting performance. Hot summers and UV damage. Eagle Mountain summers often bring intense sunlight and high temperatures, which can cause fading. Prolonged sun exposure can fade furniture, carpets, and curtains if your windows don't have UV protection. Seal degradation. Heat can cause the seals around your windows to expand and contract, eventually leading to air leaks. Warping of frames. Wood and vinyl frames can warp under extreme heat, affecting how easily your windows open and close. Modern windows with low E coatings and UV blocking glass can significantly reduce heat gain and protect your interiors from sun damage. Cold winters and drafts. Winters in Eagle Mountain can be harsh and snowy, and older or poorly installed windows can struggle to keep out the cold. Over time, you may notice drafts. Small gaps in window frames can let cold air seep in, making your home less comfortable. Higher energy bills. Drafts and heat loss force your HVAC system to work harder, increasing utility costs. Condensation and frost. Moisture buildup on the inside of your windows can lead to mold, mildew, and even wood rot. Upgrading to double or triple pane insulated windows can keep your home warmer, reduce condensation, and lower heating costs. Wind and dust exposure. Eagle Mountain's location means it's no stranger to strong winds and dust storms, which can scratch or etch glass surfaces, wear down window seals, force fine dust into moving parts, making windows harder to operate. Regular cleaning and seasonal inspections can keep dust from building up and help preserve the smooth function of your windows. Seasonal expansion and contraction. With temperatures swinging from hot summers to freezing winters, materials in your windows, especially wood, vinyl, and aluminum, naturally expand and contract. Over time, this cycle can loosen joints and weaken structural integrity, create gaps that allow water and air infiltration, reduce the energy efficiency of your home. Choosing windows made from climate-resistant materials, such as fiberglass or high-quality vinyl, can reduce these effects. Moisture and water damage. Spring rains and winter snowmelt can create persistent moisture issues, especially for older windows with aging caulking or poor drainage. Left unchecked, water can cause wood rot and frame deterioration, damage drywall and paint around the window, encourage mold growth, which can affect indoor air quality. Routine resealing and gutter maintenance can help keep water away from your windows and prevent long-term damage. Protecting your investment. The good news is that with proper care, you can extend the life of your windows, even in Eagle Mountain's challenging climate. Here are a few tips. Schedule annual inspections to identify problems early. Clean and lubricate moving parts to ensure smooth operation. Reseal caulking and weather stripping as needed. Consider window replacements if your current ones are more than 15 to 20 years old, drafty, or damaged. Final thoughts. Eagle Mountain's diverse weather patterns can challenge any home's windows over time, but with the right materials, professional installation, and regular upkeep, you can keep your home comfortable, efficient, and beautiful year-round. If your windows are showing signs of wear, such as drafts, fogging, or difficulty opening and closing, now may be the perfect time to consult with a local window expert. A well-timed upgrade can save you money, improve comfort, and protect your home for years to come.